Hello students, today we are going to start lesson number 4, that is articles. You all have already learnt about articles in the lower classes. Articles a and the are used before a noun or a noun phrase and tell us whether the noun or noun phrase refers to something specific or generic. Now, we use a, an or the before a noun or a noun phrase. Let us see the example. Amisha ate a banana and a pear before lunch. So, banana and pear both are the nouns and we had used a before them. My mother wants to buy an oven. Now, an oven. We have used an here. I lost the hard disk you gave me yesterday. The hard disk. Understood, students? The indefinite articles a and n are used to introduce or refer to an unspecified singular countable noun. Now, a or n is used before the countable nouns. Now, when we use a with the consonant sound. You see here, with the consonant sound. And we use n with the vowel sounds. Now, you will see here the example. He realized that it was a terrible decision. Terrible. It starts with the sound of T. That is the sound of a consonant. So, we had started it with a. Hishma's aunt is an English teacher. Now, English, it sounds with E. That is the vowel sound. So, we have used N. I forgot to carry an umbrella with me. Umbrella, it starts with the vowel. So, we have used N. Now, students, we'll see few examples here again. Tanvi went to a supermarket an hour ago. Now here a supermarket, because supermarket starts with the consonant sound. But an hour, here the word hour starts with H. But H is silent. The pronunciation is hour. It's not har. So we have to refer the sound. We have to refer not the letter but the sound. It's hour, it's R, so N-R. Here again, can you give an example of a universal truth? Now see here, universal. This word starts with U. U is a vowel, but the pronunciation U. The sound of this pronunciation is not a vowel sound. It is a consonant sound. So, with the consonant sound U, we will use a. I worked for an NGO for a year. Now, NGO. NGO, N. N starts with a. So, A. We start NGO with A. So, here we have used N. NGO. Understood, students? You have to refer the vowel sound and the consonant sound, not the letter which is given in the word. Okay? Now, let us start with the exercise question number 1. Use A or N before the following nouns correctly. Number 1. Blank aircraft. Now, aircraft, it starts with A. Also, the sound. The sound is A. So, N. A basketball. Here we are given a consonant and also it gives a consonant sound. So, A. A hair. Here it is a consonant and a consonant sound also. So, A. An island. Here again we are having a vowel sound. So, an island. So, students, In the same way, you have to see the first letter and also the pronunciation, whether it is a consonant sound or it is a vowel sound, and you have to complete all these other words in homework. Now, let us start with the third article. The is the only definite article in English. It indicates a particular noun that has been mentioned before or is already known to the listener. It can be used before singular as well as plural nouns. Now students, N, A and N are the indefinite articles, whereas the is the only definite article in English. What it indicates? It indicates a particular noun. It is mentioned before or is already known to the listener. Now it can be used before a singular or plural, both. Here we have seen refer to an unspecified singular but a countable noun. Here we can refer to the singular or plural, both. So now let us start with the question number 2 of the exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. We have learnt 3 articles, that is a, an and the. So from these 3 we have to fill the blanks. A. Our science teacher gave us blank difficult test today. A difficult. Why? Because here this word is starting with a consonant and a consonant sound. So a. B. Blank car that he bought blank month ago has blank unique design. Here car, it starts with a consonant sound, but we are talking about a particular car. So the car that he bought a month ago. Now month, we are talking about a month and it starts with a consonant sound. So we'll use here a. Here the word unique starts with U, which is a vowel, but the pronunciation is unique. U. It starts with the U, that is a consonant sound. So we will use here a. C. They opened blank bank account in blank bank next to their house. Now they opened a bank. Why a? Because bank is a word that starts with a consonant sound. In the bank next to their house. Now whenever we are referring to the same noun again for the second time, we have to use the. So here they opened a bank account in the bank. We are talking about a bank. So the. D. My sister has gone for blank interview. Here it is a vowel sound. So we have used N. Blank interview, again the same word, but we are referring to the same thing for the second time. So the interview will take place in university. Now again here you can see the word university is starting with U, but as it is giving us a consonant sound, we will use here a. Understood, students? So in the same way you have to do from E to H in homework.